we're going to King's Landing.
Kevin Delanoy, I'm one of the executive producers on the show. All the trainees that we've got here, they'll have a great opportunity. The door will open a crack, they'll be able to see the world on the other side.
What are we going to do about it?
My role is production trainee. Production handles all the logistics of being on set. Such a pleasure to be around people that have the same passions as you.
So today we're helping out props department. It's the first time I've been on a production of this scale. At the moment it's huge boats that we're dealing with, that we have to dress them up, make them look all good.
We've gone straight from college to an apprenticeship working with HBO. I think it's an amazing opportunity.
I'm working for the Armoury Department, helping maintain and fix props, ensuring that continuity works and everything looks as it should do. This has been my first break.
It's a vast world, the film industry, and get in at the bottom and learn. Don't let your ambition slow you up.
It has basically given me a foot in the door, which I never knew I'd have.
I've loved every second of it.
I don't want to do anything else, just work in film and TV.